Well, so let us start talking about affine code, and this is a advanced version of Caesar code function. So affine code encryption is a little advanced version of Caesar code, and it is very simple. The affine code function is actually fx equal to uh, say, what did I write? I forgot. Okay, let me just write px plus q. Let me write like px plus q, like this. So the Caesar code was only x plus p, only x plus p. It is p and it is a. So the Caesar code was x plus p, and p is any number. Affine code is ax plus p. That means there will be a number with x. So there is a number with x. That is the difference. Okay. And another condition is also important. This a is odd. This a is always odd number. I mean, it is not 4, not 6. It is always odd number. So odd integer. Integer means whole number, not 3.5. It is 3 or 5 or 7 odd integer. Okay, and this is any integer. Any integer means whole number. So these are the two things for affine code function. So let us have a question, and we will do the calculation. Say there is a question, and in the question it is written, I mean, find the coded form of, say, we are taking IUBAT. Okay, say we are taking one word IUBAT, coded form of IUBAT with the affine code function, fx equal to 3x plus 8, say like that. So this is our function. We are just taking one example. So we will do the calculation now for this, how we can convert IUBAT into a code, and we will also see how we can come back, that is, to the original message or word. So what to do in the beginning, you start with the word. That means you write the letters IUBAT separately. So one letter is I, and then another, let me write it a little right side. So one letter is I, then another letter is U, then B, then A, then T. So these are the letters, and you write the numbers associated with the letters. So what is the number for I?
Sorry, 8,
So
sir.
I told you already. Yes, 8.
8, sir.
Okay, so it is 8. What will be number for U?
Sir, 20,
So
sir.
I told you already, A is 0, B is 1. Okay, and C is 2, and D is 3, and like that. So U will be 20, right? So let me write 20. So what will be B? B is 1. What will be A? A is 0. What will be T?
19, sir.
19. Okay, so I'm writing 19. So this is the first step. just writing the numbers from the alphabet, and then you will do the calculation for fx. That is, this is actually your x, okay, and you are now going to fx. So if you do the calculation for fx, that will be 8 into, that will be 8 into 3, because our a is 3 and p is 8. So x is 8. So you will write 3 into 8 plus 8. So this will be the first number. You can show the calculation, or you can directly put down the value here. So it is 3, 8, 24 and plus 8. So 32. So you write 32 here. Okay. And what will be the number for 20? So the number for 20 will be 20 into 3 plus 8. So it is 68, right? 20 into 3 plus 8. So it is 68. Is that okay? What will be for 1?
For 111, sir.
What will be the number for 1?
11, sir.
11.
11.
Because it is, yes, because it is 3 into 1 plus 8. And for 0, it is
8,
8.
sir.
Sir, 8.
Because it is 3 into 0 plus 8. And then this
65.
one. This one is what?
65, sir.
65. Okay. So this is the third step. So in the next step, you will again the same thing. You will use 20 mod 26. Okay, let me write mod first. So next step is mod 26. So be clear about the concept. Why 26? Because we are considering 26 letters are used in the word. So if you include more characters, then it may be mod 30, maybe mod 40, maybe mod 50 possible. In this example, we are taking only the 26 alphabet in English. So we are writing mod 26. So for 32, the answer will be 6. For 68, the answer will be what?
16. 16, sir.
10, 16, yes. And for 11, the answer will be 11. For 8, the answer will be same 8. For 65, the answer will be 13, right?
Yes, sir.
So the next step, what will be the next step? The next step will be putting the letters from the list.
Sir,
Writing the letters from, yes. Yes, tell me what is
sir,
your question.
for 68, if we minus 26, then it will be 42, sir.
Why 26 minus? Mod is not minus. What you do for mod? Not
Sir,
clear about
divide
mod operation.
and the sir backshesh. Sir.
Yes. So why are you doing minus?
Sir.
68, you will divide this by 26. So it will be 2 times. So it will be 52. And then the bakshesh is 16. That is it. Okay. তুমি তো একবার গুণ করতেছো, you are dividing 68 and you are writing only one time. So why only one? দুইবার তো করা যায়, তাহলে একবার কেন দিবা? You got my point?
Yes, sir.
So is this correct now? Okay, now go for letter. So what is the letter for 6?
G, sir.
G. Good. What is the letter for 16?
Q.
Q. Okay, so write Q. You check if it is right or wrong. So for 11,
L, sir.
L. For 8,
I.
it is I. For 13,
N, sir.
N. So this will be the coded form. So you will write, now you will write in your answer. In your answer you will write, okay, so you can write the coded form of IUBAT is GQLIN, okay, according to the given function. So this is your answer. That's it. Answer. Is it okay? You got my point?
Yes, sir.
Anyone has any question on this, or it is clear? It should be clear. It should be clear. It is very critical. So it
Yes,
is
sir,
clear,
clear.
right? Okay. So decoding. I will now show you the decoding system. So if GQLIN is the coded form, then how can you find out the original message? So I am changing the question. Say I am writing the question. Okay, I am writing the question. Say I am writing here. This is the second part of the question. Okay, or you can say question number 2. So the question will be decode GQLIN, okay, which was coded with affine code function. So this is my question. Actually, we are finding the original message, and the original message we will find for GQLIN, and it was coded, or we can say encrypted. It was encrypted, okay, encrypted with affine code function fx equal to 3x plus 8. So this is my question. Now code is given, IUBAT is not given. So you will find out IUBAT. The code is given like GQLIN. So you start with that and then do some calculation, and then you find out what was the original message. Is that clear? The question is clear? So you start with GQLIN. The first line is same. You will start with the given code, and then you write the number. That is also same thing. So what is the number for G? The number for G is You told me it is 6, right? EF, yeah, it is 6. So that is the number from the alphabet. What is Q? Q কত ছিল যেন?
16.
16. Okay, 16. And what was L?
11.
11, sir.
Okay, good. And what was I?
8, sir.
8. Good. And what is N?
13, sir.
13. Okay. So these two steps are exactly same. So you are just putting the number from alphabetic list. So this is very simple. Fine. Now you will do -8 part by part. I mean, not 3x plus 8 at a time. At a time, you will do one thing. First thing is -8. So why -8? Because in the original code, it was +8. So now we will do -8. So you will write in the next line, we are doing it -8. Say you can write, this is my y. I mean, if you want to write, it is not mandatory. Say you are thinking this is your y, not x. X is the original letter. So this is y. So now you will do y -8 because in the original function it was +8. If it is -8 in the original function here, then you will do +8 now. Okay. So
we
it
can
is
write
-8. So you are
fx there.
fx you can write. Yes, fx you can write. But I'm just writing this y. It's up to you. I mean, not necessarily you have to write this in the left side column, but it is your understanding. You have to understand what I am doing now. So I am doing -8 and it is -2, the first number, second number is 8, and third number is 3, and fourth number is 0, and fifth number is 5. Okay. So I'm getting all the numbers here. Now I see one number is minus, negative. So I have to take care of this. If there is any minus number, then you have to add 26. So you add 26 here. So better you add 26 for every number. If you add 26 for only negative number, that will also give you the answer. But I am telling it to do it for every number. So the number will be little bigger, but it is not a problem. Okay. So, okay, 1 second, please. Okay. Hello. Walaikum salam. Okay. Okay, so okay, now I understand. So I can talk to you. Please call me later. I'm in a class now. Okay. তুমি একটু পরে আবার একটু ক্লাস আমাকে 12টার পরে ফোন দাও। না সরি 12টা না 1টার পর। ওকে 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 okay. So this is the next level. So you will add 26 for every number because there is a negative number. So fine, it is the next line. And now you will take care of 3x. Now you will take care of 3x. So this is the another thing we will now take care. So normally you can think, okay, we multiplied by 3 originally. So now we will divide by 3. Now we will divide by 3. You can think in mathematics like this. But the mathematical division will be a big problem because division sometimes give you the point result, fractional result. So if it is fraction, say 29 divided by 3. So this is a point and you cannot go out of this point. So this idea is not possible. This idea is not a good idea. You understand what I'm saying? So there is another technique to manage this 3 into x. So another technique is there will be a multiplier. Actually, we will not divide, but we will use a multiplier. So the multiplier is a number which will multiply this result 24, 34, 29, and that multiplier will solve the problem. So there is a special number which is called multiplier, and we will now find out the multiplier. Okay, so what is the multiplier number? It is actually uh, say I'm writing m. Okay, so m will be divided by a. A is the original number with x. Okay, and let me just check the formula just for 1 second. So the multiplier is a number which will be found out by a calculation, and that is 26 into x plus 1 and uh, divided by what? A. So we will write 26 into okay, let me write star. Star is into, and then x, and then plus 1, and then divided by a. So this formula you just keep it in your brain. So you will calculate the multiplier for your problem. So this multiplier number can be different for different problems, and there may be many number possible. I mean, for this example, multiplier can be 5 or 7 or 8 different numbers. So anyone you can apply, no problem. But the formula is this: m equal to 26 into x plus 1 divided by a. So what is a? A is our number with the x, and x is the okay. Oh no, not x. You should write n. Let me write n. X hole to abar confusion hoye jabe. So it should be n. Let me write n here. So what is n? N means, in this, n means any natural number. N means any natural number. So any natural number means you can put 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, like that. So if you start from 1, it's up to you, not less than 1, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, any number you can put, and you multiply by 26, then plus 1, then divided by a, and you check the is the multiplier value will be a whole number. That will be a whole number. This is a condition. So let me tell you again. So after that line, after adding 26, we will have some numbers, and then now we will find out a multiplier number. So how can I find out the multiplier? I will use this formula. Formula is m equal to 26 into n plus 1 by a. So n is any number natural started from 1, and then A is the number in this case. In this case, it is 3. Okay. A is the number with x. So in this case, it is 3. And after doing this calculation, you check whether this result is whole number or not. Say for example, you are taking n equal to 2. Just example. So m will be 26 into 2 plus 1 by 3, because a is 3 and it is 52 plus 1, that means 53 by 3. So 53 by 3, is it a whole number? No, this is a fraction. This is a fraction. So if it is a fraction, then we will not take this multiplier. So we will say no, it is not taken. Fine. And you take n equal to say 1. So if it is 1, then this is 26 into 1 plus 1 divided by 3. So it is actually 27 by 3. So 27 by 3 is whole number. 27 by 3 is actually 9. So it is whole number. So it is whole number. That means we can take this multiplier. So we will take the multiplier as 9. So we will continue with the next line. So how the next line will come? Next line will come like multiply by 9. So how you get this 9? How you get this 9? You have to show the calculation in your exam script. Okay, you have to understand what you are doing and you have to show how the multiplier is coming. So in this case, multiplier is 9. So we are doing 24 into 9. So 24 into 9 is 216. And 34 into 9 is what? 270, then 34, 306. Is it correct? You check.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 306.
And 29 into 9?
Sir, 261.
261. Okay. And 26 into 9?
235, sir. 234.
34.
234. Okay. Then 31 into 9? 279.
279, sir.
Okay. Now you do mod 26. After doing multiplier operation, now you do mod 26. So what will be the next level? Mod 26. So you do the mod 26 for every number. What will be the answer? Six. What is this? Two 1 6 306 261 and then 234 279. So what is mod 26? Have you calculated?
Yes, sir. Give me some time, sir.
Okay. So everyone, I mean, do separately. Okay, someone do 216 and someone do 306, someone do 261, like that. Do not do the
216
same
is
thing.
8. Sir, 8
216 is
for
8.
216.
Okay, good. Okay, good. So ওগুলো আলাদা আলাদা করে করো, separately, do it separately, so it will be quick. What is 306?
For 306, it's 20.
20. Correct.
20.
Yes, it is 1. It is
Yes, sir. 1.
this one.
This one 0.
234 0.
Yes, sir.
No. Hmm. 9. Oh, okay. Yeah. 0. 0. Correct. 279.
19.
Sir, 19.
19. Yes. So now you put the letter. So what is the letter for I?
I for 8, sir.
So 8 is I, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is I. And 20
20 is
20
you.
is you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You.
20 is you. And then 1 is B, 0 is A, 19.
The-
So you are getting IUBAT now.
Okay,
You got
okay.
my point?
Yes, sir.
So this is how you decode the affine code, encryption. So the tricky part is the multiplier part. So try to understand what to do. Memorize the formula, that is m equal to 26 into n plus 1 by a. And you have to do the calculation in your exam script. You have to show this. Otherwise, I will cut some marks. I will check how did you get this multiplier number. I will check this. How did you get this? So in 3x plus 8, in the function 3x plus 8, it is 9, but it is not always 9. 9 is the correct number for this example, but another problem, maybe the multiplier will be different. So I need to see how did you get this 9. Okay, so you have to show the calculation here. You understand what I say?
Yes, sir.
So now you make the answer. The answer is okay, the original word, okay, was IUBAT. So this is dead message. This is the decoded message. So that is your answer.